company has 30 years of production experience. Light partition panels can be used for interior walls, exterior walls, floors, etc. Next, show our company's automatic circulation mobile horizontal mold wall panel equipment production line, storage bin and double bin batching machine. Conveyor belt, bucket elevator, powder screw conveying and automatic metering system. Patent mixer, PLC control system. Assemble the mold, automatic hydraulic automatic opening and closing of the mold. Insert the core tube automatically. Put in wire mesh. Spray release agent. The pouring hopper moves above the mold car, automatically opens the valve and pours the slurry. The molding vehicle moves to the curing area by itself. Move the shuttle sideways. Place the upper molding die. After 8 hours of curing, move to the outboard area. Core pulling tube. Remove mold. Fully automatic hydraulic opening mold. Automatic plate palletizing machine. Out the board. Merging board. Flip palletizing system. Second flip. Automatic lateral movement. Bundling and packing. processing and production equipment. Pack and ship.